So let me preface this first. A lot of people think of asset management as far as like the financial aspect.
That's what I was thinking. Like,
Right.
what is a moving company doing with asset management? I don't understand.
Right. Ours is a little different. So ours is
Okay.
physical asset management within the office space. So, you know, when you do rent that space, you're going to fill it with assets. Those assets being the office furniture, the IT components, all of the office supplies if you want to get that granular. You know, essentially anything that you purchase for that space becomes the company's assets.
Oh, got it. Okay.
And
That makes sense.
And what we aim to do is help manage those assets. So hypothetically speaking, and what we've been seeing a lot of is companies are downsizing their space. So what that means is, you know, prior they had, let's say, 20,000 square foot of office space, and they had furniture to fill out that office space completely. Well, now they only have 10,000 square feet of office space, and they don't need all that furniture anymore. So what are they doing with it? We can help them. And what we've been doing is helping them move it back to storage to hold there, or liquidating, donating, disposing it.
It's computers too?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
I would imagine that there's some issues with privacy on computers.
There is. You have to essentially strip the computer of all of its information. It's a process. It's called e-waste.
Okay.
And it is a process of basically getting all of the IP, intellectual property, related to that company off of that computer, off of that hard drive. We do that.
Do you catalog this?
Essentially what happens is you have an asset tag that you'll place on that computer, and that asset tag will have either a barcode or a number or something to that effect, where you can essentially scan it, and then the information related to that computer, whether it be its hard drive information, its like IP address, whatever it may be, is uploaded into a software, and then that asset essentially has its own story. Hypothetically speaking, if you don't do that and you get audited as a company, well, then that asset still shows up on your ledger sheet, in which case you're paying for an asset that you don't even have anymore.
Got it.
Be sure to subscribe to our podcast at theadvancedgrp.com. That's theadvancedgrp.com.